Hi guys, welcome to another Lifestyle with Ivan. Today I have a CVS haul for you. It was I should say after holiday clearance that I find, and also a little haul. So what I would do, I think I'll start with the clearance if I could find my receipt. All right, I think this was the first one would be these. Okay, bear with me here. This is an 8-pack. These were 8-pack gift boxes, decorated gift boxes. These were $7.99. That's the front one, and you have different designs in them. And this is the back, which is the bigger one. And this was $7.99, and I paid $1.10 for 8-pack gift box, guys. Look at that car, the truck. Love those red trucks. And I got 2 of those.
Those are cute. I said those are cute.
Yeah, they are cute. I also got, let's see, dropping here. I got the, I think it was this. Yes. This is a box of bows. I think it comes with 25 in there and ribbon also. This one was $9.99. And I paid $1.38 for those. I always shop, what they call it, after the holiday. I don't shop, never shop during holiday. That's what people want us to do. Okay. Then I got, I think it's the bliss stick. Yep, that's a chopstick. Oh, it's this one. This is a 3-pack bliss stick. And this was $4.99. And I only paid 70 cents for this. And I have little reindeers on there. And then I got the chopstick. And this one was $5.39. I think it has 4 in there. And I paid 74 cents. Yep. 74 cents for those. Then my favorite item that I picked up was these little ballerina slippers. Bedroom shoes. Hope you can see them. And these were $7.99. And I paid $1.10 for those. Next item on my list is the Nivea Peach Lip Balm. That was $3.49. And I paid 45 cents for that. Then it's the peel and stick tie. I think it was those, yes. I got 2 of these, and they were $2.99. And I paid 43 cents a piece for those. I got 2 of them. Next on my list, which is basically the same. These are also tags. And this one was $5.99. And I paid 84 cents. And I got 2 of those. I think that was it for coupon items. Is it? Yep. Oh no, that wasn't it. I had 2 more items that I didn't get, that I didn't show you. You want to get them for me, Simone?
Yes.
That's the claw machine. I forgot all about those. And that'll be the last coupon items. You can bring it here to me. Just rest it on the ground. I get it. Thank you. Okay. These were $19.99. Yeah. I think they were $19.99. The price is right there. I don't know if you can see it. But these were $19.99. I think at one point, I don't know if they were selling them for $9.99. But the price on here said $19.99. It's a claw machine. It's a game that you put candies in. And the little claw pick it up. I think the coins come in here. I'm not sure if you use your coins or if coins come in there, but it goes with batteries. And see the coins there on the ground. I mean on the counter. So the coins look a little like they're not real. So I think it probably come with fake coins. But either ways, it's it operate on three I guess D batteries. That's it. Toys and candies not included. Oh. So I guess you can put toys and candies in here. And they grab them. But anyways, long story short. Guess how much I paid for that, guys? $2.76. I paid for that. And I got 2 of those. The box was a little heavy-ish. I had to pick both up. It's going to be impossible for me to hold on to. But I got 2 of those. And that was, I think that was all I got. Yeah. For couponing. I mean, that was on clearance. Then I also picked up these Perrier water. I picked up 4 of those. And they were $4.99 a piece. $4.99 each. I got 4 of those. And I had four $4.50 coupons. So that took $6 off. Yep, it took $6 off, $1.50 each of each one. And I also had a coupon for $3 off 12 food item. So in total that took $9 off. I think I paid like 10 something for all of them, like $2.50 a piece, around $2.50 a piece for those. Then I picked up the Depend. I don't use them, but it was on sale for $5.99. $5.99. And I had a $3 coupon for it. And I got back a $2 extra care buck. So I only paid 99 cents for this. And that's the reason why I got it. Somebody can use it, but it's paid 99. And I also picked this poise up. And this poise was the same price, $5.99. I had a $3 coupon, but I didn't have any I didn't get back any extra care buck for this because the extra care buck was either or. So I got it off this one, but I didn't get it back for this one. But because it was only $2 and that was still a good price, I picked that one up. Next on my list, I got the Bulldog. I think this is a shave gel with green tea, aloe, and you can't see. Camelina, yeah. And this was, I thought it was a shampoo, but I guess not. Well, it's a shave gel, but Ivan will be able to use it. This was $8.29. I had a 40% off coupon. I don't know why it wasn't coming off, but she ended up taking it off anyways. This one, I think I paid $2.75 for this. I don't know how she got the $2.75, but yeah, she did. And my last item that I picked up was 2 of these Nivea lotion, breathable lotion. And these were $8.79 a piece. Yeah, Nivea is very expensive, guys. $8.79. And this is the only lotion that we use. It's good for dry skin. And I had a $3 off. I think it was $3. Yeah. $3 off. One. I think I had 2 coupons. Did I? Yeah, $3 off. And then I had a $1 off. I had a $1 off Nivea lotion. So that took $7 off. And I ended up paying $2.94 for each one. $2.94 for each one. And I submit those to Ibotta, and I got back $2 for this and $2 for this. So I paid 94 cents a piece for each one of them. They cost me 94 cents a piece. And that was it, guys. That was it. And I got back. My total came to $39.85. And I got back $4 back for my bottle, making it $35? Yeah, making it $35. And then I got back 11, making it $24. So this whole haul here cost me $24. Yeah, $24.85 because I got back $11. Got back $11. And plus the $4 for my bottle. So guys, if you like seeing videos like this, oh yeah, I forget to show you too. Oh, I missed that. That's probably not on here because I don't remember seeing it, you know. To be honest, I didn't. Yes, it's right here. But she ended up charging me only $3.33 for this. I don't know why. I had a coupon for this. This was a booper. I call it booper. I can say that. Can I say that?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this was $5.99. And I had a coupon that said $3 off a $5 peen cream. And I was thinking that it was the pill. So I picked up the wrong thing because the aisle was full. Those people at the aisle full, I don't want to go close to anyone. So where they had the cream and the pain reliefs and stuff, yeah, people were making line for the pharmacy. And I couldn't get in that area. So I just grabbed something without reading my coupon properly. So I was thinking the pill was included, but it wasn't. It was the cream. But when I got to the register, it didn't ring. But she still ended up giving me a percentage off it because I only paid $1.33 for it. But it was for $5.99, guys. And that's a PM This is a PM pill, but it's for peeing. All right. That was. I have the Claro, nice and easy that I got. These were $7.99. $7.99 each. I got 2 of them. And when you purchase 2, you get back a $4 extra care buck. And I had a $5 off, and you purchase a 5 off 2 coupon, digital coupon, and I also had a $2 off 2 Claro on there, and then I had another $2 off Claro. So I took, that was $9 that I got off this. And the cost of these were, one of them for some reason ring up cheaper than the other. But one rang up $1.29, and the other one rang up $2.59. Now I don't know how I got that, but that's what I paid for it, and I got 2 of those guys. And these were the dark brown, number 4. Okay? All right. If you like videos like this, remember to comment, subscribe if you haven't been subscribed already. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. And again, guys, welcome, and we enjoy you, and see you on another video. Bye now.